Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Beauty is joy forever. Today in this video, I gonna show you about red nails design and different styles that can enhance your hands beauty. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and share my videos. Thank you. Red nails are a classic and timeless choice when it comes to nail polish. The color red exudes confidence, power, and a sense of sophistication. Whether it is a bold and vibrant shade or a deep and sultry hue, red nails can instantly elevate and look and make a statement. Red nails can be styled in various designs to suit different preferences and occasions. One popular design is a simple and elegant red manicure. This involves applying a solid coat of red polish to each nail, creating a clean and polished look. It's a versatile option that can be worn for both casual and formal events. For those who prefer a more intricate design, red nail can be embellished and with various patterns and accent. One trendy choice is the accent nail, where one or two nails are painted in a different shade or adorned with glitter or metallic accent. This adds a touch of glamorous and visual interest to the overall look. Another popular design is the French manicure with a red twist. Instead of the traditional white tips, the nails are painted red at the base with a glitter shade or a subtle glitter gradient towards the tip. This modern take on a classic design combines elegance with a bold pop of color. By using these colors, you can enhance your hand's beauty. Please choose and apply these designs for my video. And share these different and unique ideas with others, with your family, with your friends, and so on. Thank you.